And easy smoky eye makeup? Then let's get started. Blending a red eyeshadow on the crease, then softening the color by applying a purple eyeshadow. Black gel liner is the key to a long-lasting smoky eye, applying that all over the lid. Blending it with black eyeshadow, starting small, then building the color up. Who said you can't put glitter on a smoky eye? Let's place it all over the lid. Then softening those edges a bit. Eyeliner to complete and perfect the eyeshadow look. There's no smoky eye without smoking out the lower lash line. Using the same eyeshadows. Mascara and false eyelashes are the last step, and this smoky eye is done. Such a beautiful nighttime look. Defining the eyebrows with a bit of concealer to get that clean look. And placing it all over the lid as a base. Setting it with loose powder, and it's time to blend eyeshadows. A little bit of tape at the outer corner is going to help get that sharp line. Creamy eyeliner on the outer corner to start the look. Blending it softly. Blue glitter eyeshadow, focusing it only at the outer corner. Gold glitter in the inner corner. The colors match so beautifully. Outlining the eyeshadow with black eyeliner, and the look is going to be so unique. Mascara before applying the false eyelashes, and this finished.